How do you know if a furnace needs replacing? Most homeowners do not plan to replace their furnace. The idea usually comes after repeated repairs, rising energy bills, or another cold night where the heat just does not feel right. Furnaces rarely fail all at once. They show warning signs over time, and knowing how to recognize those signs helps Murrieta homeowners avoid costly surprises. That is why homeowners trust AirTime Heating and Air for honest furnace evaluations. The most common signs a furnace needs replacing include frequent repairs, rising energy bills, loud or unusual noises, uneven heating throughout the home, dust or soot around vents, and a system that is 15 years old or older. As furnaces age, efficiency drops and internal components wear out. Repairing the same system over and over often costs more in the long run than replacing it. AirTime Heating and Air evaluates performance, safety, age, and repair history to determine whether replacement is the smarter option. Murrieta furnaces are often used seasonally, which can hide problems until cold nights arrive. Older systems may struggle to keep up, cycle unevenly, or pose safety concerns like failing heat exchangers or electrical issues. If your furnace is no longer reliable or efficient, replacement may be the safest choice. If your furnace is showing warning signs or you are unsure whether repair still makes sense, schedule a professional evaluation with AirTime Heating and Air. We provide clear recommendations to help Murrieta homeowners choose the right solution with confidence.